Welcome back to the Montana Minimalist. First, I want to apologize for taking so long to do this video. Basically, winter was on its way fast, and I needed to get this house livable so I could be warm in the wintertime. My RV was really cold. So that's what I did. I just finished as much as I could to get it dried out and insulated and warm and get a stove in there and get everything going. So I'll start putting out some videos now of my progress over the last 6 months. Right now, I'm just putting in my insulation for the floor. I just lay in a little chalk line, score it with a knife, just snap it off, and then just pop it right in the little slot. It's 2-inch R10 foam board insulation. Pretty cool stuff. Really easy to work with, super lightweight. And voila, as you can see, turned out really nice, very clean, and I was pleased with how it turned out. So next, what we're going to do, we'll just take a little look around here real quick. And then the next thing I'm going to do is lay in the plastic little vapor barrier that I'm going to put on top. I'm still looking at this thing, admiring my work. So anyway, here we go. So I'm putting the plastic down, and then I just get it nice and straight, and then unfold it and get it to cover the entire floor, which actually proved to be kind of a pain in the butt because the wind started blowing as soon as I unfolded it. So anyway, I just put some wood down. I had to kind of hold it in place as I battled with the wind. And then I got my spray adhesive out and would just spray it down. I just do a section at a time, roll it out, and just with my hands just sort of smooth it out till I had it all in. And then I went and I drilled holes in the side of the frame all around the outside, because that's where I'm going to run bolts through my bottom plates on my walls to hold my walls in to make it nice and sturdy. And ultimately that worked out very well. So as you can see, I've got these, they're like 1/2-inch holes, and that proved to be pretty tough. I went through a lot of bits, but I got it done. And then I went ahead and I put my vapor barrier, sort of well, not really necessarily a vapor barrier, but like an insulation sort of barrier thing. So the wood, as you can see, like that 2x4 on the side there, that's basically like how the bottom plate will be on it. And you have a little bit of an insulated foam between the edges of the frame, the metal frame, and ultimately what will be the bottom plates. And so here I am using some spray foam and just sticking it down just so it would hold in. And as you can see, I've got the entire trailer done. So now I'm go ahead and I'm putting on my plywood, and I'm just screwing it in with self-tapping screws. That's 3/4 inch OSB is what it is, not plywood, but OSB. And I'm just going through about every 6 inches or so and just popping some screws in. And man, it really held it down well. And I'm just adjusting it a little bit here and there, a little tap with a hammer, and just getting it all nice and square. And I'm putting in the very last screw. A lot of screws went in there. And now here's my buddy Albert again, welding on my wheel wells. I had them custom made for me by a local fabrication shop. And then I just picked them up and popped them on, and we welded them on there and got them level, and they went on really smooth, and it was really easy to do. And I was really getting psyched because once I got those wheel wells done, all I had to do was put on one last little piece of wood right next to the wheel well, and my flooring was done. And as you can see, there's the final product. I was very pleased to get this floor finished. Now I could start building upwards. I need to get this thing done before it gets cold. So anyhow, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I promise I've got more videos I'm making right now, and I'll start putting stuff out regularly. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I need subscriptions. They're going to demonetize me if I don't get 1,000 subscribers. What's up with that, YouTube? Jeez. Anyhow, as you can see, I'm getting ready to move over to my new place. I've got everything loaded up. My buddy moved, so I had to move. But that's okay. From now on, I'll be building out on my spot out in the woods next to the river. See you in the next video, YouTube.